What's going on, guys? So welcome back to the channel. And today we're taking a look at a bit of software that we came across. We've been playing with this now for a day or two. This one is called QSO One, and it's available at QSO1.net. This is what we're looking for when we go into the search. And when we go into the website, here we are. So what you have here is you can download, and gives you the guides and information up here. Well, let's jump across into the program and we'll just see how it is actually looking. So what you have here on QSO One, you have your microphone set up and you have your system default. And then over here we have our network selection. So we've got Allstar link. We also have Echolink. IAX direct, you can do a direct link into your own node. We also have M17, DMR, and of course YSF. So all the data modes, all the digital modes, all the digital modes available in one area for your desktop. And you can also use this on your mobile or your tablet device as well. So basically how we run this is if we jump across into here, Allstar. So we will connect Allstar. Looking for network, and you can see these are all the nodes, the East Coast reflector. So we jump in and we say connect. You see this area will start to open up. So we're connected here on Allstar. We're also connected on Echolink, and we're also connected on DMR.
GIs during World War II used to build them just to receive something. Whether
and as soon as the guys start talking, it comes through here on the desktop. You can have your push to talkers down here. Disconnecting is over here. Press the disconnect and you're disconnected. So let's say you want to jump out of that there. We're going to an Echolink. And quite simply, you have your Echolink linked. And we go, here's my son. So we click into him and say connect. I don't think he'd be around anyway. But yeah, we're connected straight in. And you'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that goes out on his side. And then if he was there, he would come back and talk to me. And then we can jump across into what other networks do we got? IX I haven't set up yet. M17. Did to jump into M17? I have no idea. But here we go. On the side here we have our countries. I say Ireland. This is connected to some type of Ireland group. There seems to be one pretty much everywhere, and 91 others. What's those others? Yeah. Well, a big list of groups and chat rooms. Never used M17, so I can't really guide you through that side. But the software automatically registers you for the software. Jump across onto DMR. We've got the very famous worldwide activity group, talk group 91. We click on listen. It'll go off and fetch a bit of data. Shows all the call signs in here, and as soon as a guy talks, it'll come through.
I heard the call, but I didn't catch the. I was.
There we go. We're listening to him now.
I didn't catch the call letters. November 8, Charlie, Delta, 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 Delta.
I noticed there in Talk Group 91 today, there seems to be an issue. On the over, it will repeat the last few seconds of the QSO, which is a bit weird, but something I noticed today. I'm not sure whether it's coming from this program or from the Talk Group 91 itself.
QSO.
We click that one off. We go into this one. No, it's not a call channel, the USA bridge. Connect in and see if there's anybody chatting in this one. And that's pretty quiet in there. And we can go here onto automatic. Will automatically. Another handy feature here, we've got a scan. So you can actually scan in the top and it'll scan through your list of channels. And it'll actually stop when someone's talking. So it's gone to listen to Europe, nothing in Europe. It's jumped to North America. jumped across into TAC 310, over into the US bridge. Stopped again on 91. 91 is always very, very busy, but there we go. And it basically just scans through the channels, and you can click stop and it'll stop the scan. Absolutely fantastic program, I think.
Don't want to run out of gas there.
What else did we do? We didn't look at the YSF. So YSF, we disconnect from these guys. Jump into YSF. Argentinian networks. We can search up here. Let's say USA. We got some USA groups. Again, YSF, something I don't use, but jump in there and see if there's anybody in this group. No. It's actively rejected. No, it's not. No, there's just nobody in there. Southwest. And nobody in there. Oh well. We go back on our networks, jump across into Allstar link, and we go into the Eastern Reflector. Always a nice place, like Talk Group 91. Always seems to have a little bit of activity every now and again. Not as busy as 91, but it's a pretty decent node.
Down and you get nothing. So on and on it goes. So that's the story. Craig, I'm going to finish up my coffee here, and I will get back to that other gentleman on the simplex frequency. Real pleasure bumping into you. I hope to work you again, and real soon. And so I could use a little gumbo and jambalaya there.
It very nicely packages all the nodes into areas. So we've got United States is 10,625. UK, we got 1,826 channels. And if we click that one off, it brings you all the UK channels, shows you all of them. What's a good one? HubNet. We click into HubNet.
Yes, indeed.
So we disconnect from these guys, we jump across into HubNet. We don't want to be cross-linking nodes. We'll just see if there's anybody here on the HubNet service. Oh, it's pretty quiet at this time. There's a good few people in the group though. But you can see who's actually in or connected node-wise. All these nodes are actually connected. So you got a big list of nodes, nobody talking, but you can see them. Which is quite good. You hang up on those. And then you've... What else is another good one out there? Is there Freestar Network? That's always another decent enough one. It's a Connect bot. What's this one? Freestar Alerts. Yeah, so it kind of gives you a rough idea anyway. If you want to go to Thailand, you can click on Thailand. We got 65 people there. Just delete the free. We got 65 different Thai stations, Australian stations. You want to jump on, talk to Victor Kilo, you can do that. All the countries listed, every single node that you could think of, and every single digital network, all without a radio. But of course, you can jump on and enjoy them without any code plugs or setting up, messing around. The code plugs can be very annoying there at times, but there we are. So that's a quick rundown of QSO One. And the website is QSO1.net. Free to use the service, free to use the package. They do have a pricing structure coming up. So we got replaces $120 to $500 worth of hardware. You got a QSO One free account, and you get all the business there that I spoke about. You can also hook up a Bluetooth microphone if you don't want to use your microphone on your PC, which is a nice feature. And there are pro details coming very soon, so they'll actually show you a price of what it might be to add extra features. It'd be nice to see Echolink and maybe a few other modes on, but for the moment We have a nice big selection of Allstar Link, DMR, Brandmeister, TGIF, System Fusion, M17 reflectors. A pretty decent package. QSO1.net. Get on, download, give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. We catch you on the next one.